In this class, we are going to discuss about advertisement writing. Advertisement can be classified or grouped in two categories. One is classified and the other one is display. Display advertisements are bigger in size because there is no limitation for them that what should be the size of them. So we are not going to discuss in this class about display advertisement. We'll read and understand how to write classified advertisement. These are called classified because they are grouped into categories or classes according to their subject matter, such as matrimonial, situation vacant, property for sale, lost and found, travel and tours. You find classified advertisement in magazines and newspapers. We have to remember certain things when we write classified advertisement. First of all, they should be written in short phrases and words. Means we should not write sentence. We should not write sentence because the newspapers charge according to either per square centimeter or per word or column wise. Though from newspaper side there is no restriction. It can be of any size. But here the objective is to convey more by paying less. So when the objective is this that write more and pay less, so we need to write short phrases and words. Words and phrases related to that particular type of advertisement. These should be simple, concise, and to the point. Though we write only the words and phrases, but even then, we have to give all the necessary details, and that to be given in points using commas. We have to write on the top heading clearly, means for sale or too late or situation vacant or wanted or bride or bridegroom wanted, lost or found. Heading should be given clearly. We need to give address, name and telephone number. Though for telephone number there are certain categories of advertisement we don't give. Let's say we avoid giving telephone number in matrimonial advertisement. Instead of telephone number, their PB box, post box number. This facility is provided by the newspaper for a little extra amount. We'll discuss about this also. And then we have to put advertisement in the box. So let's see through examples how do we write advertisement. Let's see first example, situation vacant. So first of all, you have to give heading. Heading will be situation vacant. Situation vacant. Let's see what's the question. In this kind of advertisement, we need to begin the advertisement with wanted or required. Situation vacant means there is some vacancy in your company, institute, school, hospital, whichever thing is there. For that we are giving advertisement. So when this kind of answer is checked in exam, there are certain value points. They should be included in the advertisement if you want good marks. So the value points are name of company or organization or institute should be given. For which post we are giving advertisement, that should be given. How many vacancies are there? Do we need male, female, or we have to specify, or we may write anyone can apply. And we need to talk about qualification. Do we need some experience? What will be the pay? and what will be the perks. Perks means other things with the salary, and how the candidate has to apply, and your contact number and address and phone number. These are the value points which will be checked in exam in your advertisement, which is meant for situation vacant. So in this we can begin like this. Applications are invited by, this is the name of the firm, Ready Business Services, a division of Ready Finance Limited. This is the company which in, for which post, head HR, and which place, this is the place. Now applicant should be around 35 years of age. Qualification, postgraduate in HR, comma, what should be the experience? Minimum 5 years experience. In which department? In HR function. And conversant with the best HR practices. This is the required thing. How to apply? Apply with full particulars and the emoluments. Emoluments means salary and HRA or DA or other perks, other things. Particulars and emoluments expected within a week. To whom to apply? Chief HR Manager. Complete address, Ready Business Services, number 5, Charnaka, Hyderabad. Here the person has to apply. So we have included everything required, name of company, for which post we are doing, post has been, number of vacancies, 1 vacancy, or here gender is not specified, means both can apply, male or female. Qualification is given, that what should be the qualification, his degree should be in HR, and what should be the experience, he should have experience. These things are included. Finally we put the advertisement in the box. So if I erase all the things which I underline, finally it should look like this. So this will be your answer. Its marking scheme is like this, that this question, if it is asked for 3 marks, then 1 mark is there for format, for content 1 mark, and for expression 1 mark. Expression means are the things which are written here, are they in logical sequence, and there shouldn't be any grammatical or spelling mistake. If there are 3 or more than 3 mistakes, they may be spelling or sentence one. If these mistakes are there, this 1 mark will be deducted. Content means all the value points are included or not, means name of the institute, name of the post, qualification, experience, whom to apply, contact detail. If these 5-6 things are included, your content is complete. Format means, as far as possible, avoid writing sentences, write phrases. Word limit is 50, means we should not exceed word limit. This is how we write situation vacant. Let's have a look at another example. Here the question is that the name of the school is given and you need some teachers for that. So let's have a look at this example. This is the heading. Heading is situation vacant. And in situation vacant, Ashok Senior Secondary School, Sarhind Mandi, FGS. This is the name of the school. Wanted 4 ETT JBT teachers. Number of vacancy given 4, and the post is teachers. Against permanent aided post. This is further information about the post. Qualification and grade as per Punjab government rules, means according to government rules your qualification should be there. Higher qualified may also apply, means This is permitted to those who possess higher qualification. Other requirement: Hindi and Punjabi of matric level, essential. When to apply? Apply by this date. Means it can be written apply within 7 days, within 10 days, or you can specify date by which the person has to apply. How? With attested copies of certificates on. This is further requirement from school of. This thing is not necessary. You may avoid this thing, that though it is, you can add that the form can be obtained from school premises or school office. Not needed this one. And interview is on this date. This is further information that no TADA will be given. In some cases, what happened that people demand for TNDA. TNDA means the person has come from far away, so he require his transport allowance and daily allowance. So this is not given. This is further specified. Like this we write situation vacant. Let's have a look at another example now. See now, this is another kind of advertisement. This is car for sale. It is that one. Means let's say question can be like this: you want to dispose of your old car since you have been transferred to other city, or you want to buy a new car, so you want to sell your car. Give a suitable advertisement for the classified columns of this newspaper. This kind of question. So first of all, what do we write? Heading: car for sale. This is your heading. Now in this, what are the value points? Means you are selling a car, so you need to tell everything about car. Means its make of the vehicle, means purchase. Let's say your model is 2014, 2015. Model of the vehicle means company name plus variant. Year of manufacturing or purchase. What color is your car? What other accessories are fixed in this? What is the condition? Means good condition, or dents are there. What's its mileage? Not necessary this is, because generally it's understood. Ownership means first owner, second owner, or even people write that it's a doctor driven, it's businessman driven, owner driven. Owner driven means you can charge more money, because people feel that if it is driven by owner, means well maintained. So we mention owner details, license, plate number, insurance. Means let's say suppose your car's insurance is for 1 year, so it gives a plus point that your car's insurance is not going to expire soon. So here you may demand a little bit extra. How many kilometers it has done, what price do you expect, and contact name and address. These are the value points. When you will be awarded marks, this information should be included in your advertisement. So let's say a black Maruti Polo 2008. It means it is the company, it is the variant, and in this year it is purchased. 1.3 cc. Further information about car is available for immediate sale. Completed. You may write here completed or done. Means this many kilometers it has completed. VIP number. Of course, people pay extra, so they expect that they also will get extra. Sparingly used means not much used. Fitted with brand new tires, alloy wheels, latest Panasonic music system with CD player. complete information about accessories. 1000 watt amplifier, whooper and speaker. Mileage is this one with AC. No dealers please, means dealer should not contact. Only the customer should contact. And this is the contact detail. Put the advertisement in the box. So your advertisement should look like this. Let's have a look at another example. Have a look at this example. This is to let. To let means you have some property and you want to give it on rent. So what are the value points for that? Look, you are going to give your property on rent. So complete information about that property. Let's say the question can be like this, that you have a flat or house in that particular colony and city. You want to give your house or flat on rent. Draft a suitable advertisement for the classified columns of the Times of India. So how will we write it? It means we have to give complete detail of the flat or house, means number of bedrooms, how many rooms are there, what is the size of rooms, or we may even avoid this. Not necessary that all these things will include, but necessary value points are needed. Means how many rooms are there. Let's say 2 BHK, we may write directly like this also, 2 BHK, 3 BHK. BHK means bedroom, hall and kitchen. On which floor is that flat? Drawing cum dining room. Is it lawn or garden? Type of bathroom, western bathroom, Indian style bathroom. Type of kitchen, modular kitchen. Kitchen with the chimney fitted in this. Is there any porch, garage, store? And what are other things? Fixtures and fittings, means let's say fans are fitted, ACs are fitted. In which direction? Direction here means east facing, south facing, north facing. So this thing will give, because some people are a little bit religious and they prefer east facing, or so we have to give this thing. Location, very important thing. In which location? Type, condition of construction, newly constructed, newly renovated, electricity and water, locality, surrounding, contact, and when can the person visit and see the house. There may be some preference that some people prefer to give government employee, some prefer to give bankers. So what's your preference? Who do you want to rent the property? And what's your expected rent? And your contact and address with phone number. So its heading will be to let in capital letters. Look, recently renovated, east facing, fully furnished, means everything is there, and air conditioned flat. First floor, which is situated on first floor with LED and refrigerated. These are the things which are fixtures and fittings, means these are the things which are there available. 3 BHK, 2 baths, modular kitchen with IGL gas pipe and 24/7 water supply. Parking facility for 2 cars near shopping complex. This is the rent per month, and you have to contact to this person. Means all the value points have been included. In which colony or location the flat is situated, what is the rent, and what are the facilities, what is the size is 3 BHK, and what are the other things, 2 bathrooms, modular kitchen, and finally we put it in the box. So for you, if I remove all these lines, it should look finally like this. So your final answer should look like this. Let's have a look at next example. Have a look at this example. Matrimonials. Matrimonials means bride wanted or bridegroom wanted. So, what are the value points here? We will begin alliance or proposal invited. We have to tell clearly about the boy and girl. Means even if you are writing about bridegroom wanted or bride wanted, you need to write both. Means what kind of bride or bridegroom is there and what kind of bridegroom or bride you want. Service or profession means what do they do, what's the income, you may state this one. Caste and subcaste means which community or religion you belong to. Educational qualification is needed, age is needed, that was the age, was the height, and complexion means color, and other qualities which you want or you want to see in your partner, that is needed to be written. And matrimonial, this kind of advertisement generally do not end with contact number. Instead of that, we prefer to give here PB number, means post box number. This is a facility which is provided by newspaper, that in case the person doesn't want to reveal his or her identity, they may provide this facility. At this place, the answers will be received and further they will be delivered to the party. So let's have a look at the question. A highly placed IT professional settled in London seeks alliance with an exceptionally beautiful, educated, cultured and tall girl of status Punjabi family. Restriction is there. Write a suitable advertisement for matrimonial column of a national daily. Okay, see now. The heading will be bride wanted. It is in capital letters. Begin with, as I said earlier, alliance or proposal invited. So alliance invited. For whom? You need to write first of all about the boy for whom you need. For a very handsome, tall and cultured IT professional. Age is given 29 years. Height is given 180 centimeters tall. NRI and settled in London. As CEO of a reputed company. Means at this place the person worked. Now what kind of partner do they want? Exceptionally beautiful, highly educated and cultured girl. What should be the age of the girl? 21 to 25. And height should be this much. That minimum, at least this should be the height. Only status Punjabi families. Restriction is there that only these people can send. And where do they send their horoscope or reply? Box number this one, the Times of India, New Delhi. And put the advertisement in the box. This is how we write advertisement.